Hello, are you in the manufacturing industry? Are you looking for a new system that contains core financials and also has inventory management? SAP Business One might be a good solution for you. I'm currently logged into my home screen, and as far as the accounting aspect of SAP Business One, it is a gap compliance system. So if I go over here in the sales AR, you can see all the options that handle and will hit your accounts receivable transactions, as well as your purchasing for accounts payable transactions. Also have the ability to handle banking as far as incoming payments for accounts receivable and outgoing payments as well. Everything for our GL accounts is stored in our chart of accounts. Under our financials here, you can see all of my chart of accounts based off my drawer levels. And I can drill into a specific chart of accounts, see the account information as well as a balance. I can drill into that balance, see all transactions that have applied, as well as view the journal entry details. I have the ability to run forecasts for specific items within the system, and that's under our MRP module. If I click on my forecast here, you have the ability to do forecasts three ways. Certainly you can import from Excel. You can manually enter a forecast and set it by date, or you can use SAP Business One's intelligent forecast that allow you to log in to the HANA Analytics, and it will provide the forecast for you. Here you simply just add the items that you'd like to run a forecast for. And based off of your sales history and demand, the system will create that forecast for you with a nice clean analytical report. I also have the ability to run any type of report within the system out of the box by going into my reports. For example, if I'd like to do a financials report of a profit and loss statement, I can choose in my selection criteria the information, and I can see the overall report here. It goes based off our chart of accounts, so I can drill into that general ledger account information and go back into my chart of accounts. SAP has also built in Crystal Report that will take this information and add it into your Crystal Report template. What it will do is gather this information, provide it, and form it to the template that you created, and you can see here it will add it to your report. Finally, you have the ability to handle budgets within SAP Business One by going under Financials. We can view our budget setup, and I can view my overall budget. Here I can click my drop down, view my optimistic budget, see my actual budget, and I can drill into the actual method and see how it's overall budgeted by the months. This concludes my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Navigator Business Solutions, and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you.